Hi there. In this session, I would like to tell you about how to assign external CSS for HTML page. So here we have to create one new CSS file and we have to assign some CSS in that file only. Then we have to link that page to any HTML page. N number of HTML pages also we can create and we can link that CSS file into that HTML pages. Let's have a look how it seems to be. So first I took one root folder to create this project. Then I will define and I will take new file. This is index.html. So this is main page. I want to load some starter template to do this into this HTML file. What I will do is I will type like this. This is a trigger. I installed these triggers with the help of VS Code extensions and I explained about that extensions here in this course. Please have a look and you can download those extensions and you can install those extensions into your VS Code editor for free of cost. So I will hit this HTML file. This is starter template. What I will do is I will assign one division. So this is my division. So type hit enter. Now we can see there is a division. I want to create one box by assigning some CSS to this division. But I want to create and I want to take a new file, a new CSS file, and I will assign some CSS to that page only. So how we can create that external CSS? See, I will take hit that one and I will take style.css. So this is purely outside of the file having pure CSS. Now we have to assign link to these pages. So we have to link that style.css page to this index.html. Then only whatever has CSS we are assigning to this division can able to see output. For that, what we have to do is we have to make one link. Means link rel relates to style sheet having, where is it, href, file name is style.css. So this is file name and that file relates to style sheet only. Purely this is link is having self closed tag only. So now we'll link that style.css to this index.html. So we can assign some CSS to this division. So what I will do is select this style.css and there in that I will assign some division. There I will assign some width is equal to 250 px as well as I will assign some height as 250 px and the background color is I will assign some orange color. Save this one. Now have a look how it seems to be. We assigned some CSS to this division in external CSS only. We couldn't assign any CSS within this index page, within this page. So now have a look how it seems to be. Now we have two pages like HTML page as well as CSS file. So what I will do is open with live server. You can see this live server in VS Code extensions. So this is one of the extension which I installed that live server extension into my VS Code. So hit on this live server. Now we can see there is an output. So this is the process to create external CSS